Now let's take a few moments to discuss new available options for replacement windows. Window styles, colors, and materials can be precisely matched to any style or taste and vary widely. But to be truly understood how vastly different replacement windows can be, you need to understand 3 basic replacement window fundamentals. First, high-efficiency replacement windows, sometimes called insulated windows, work by creating layers that provide temperature insulation without affecting the clarity of the window. The layers may have a special reflective coating, air or gases between the panes, or light. The insulating character of these windows is generally referred to as matter. A significant amount of research and development has gone into this area of window design and production in the last few years. Compared to basic windows, typically with only 1 single pane of glass, or maybe 2 with virtually 0 layers of material, do what an insulated window does. The amount of energy saved with insulated windows over basic windows will vary by location, home orientation, and numerous other characteristics. The sales representative of a good quality window contractor should be able to provide estimates of savings. The materials used, quality of the frame, and the way the window is installed can make a huge difference to the size of the energy savings you can realize. You may have windows where ice accumulates along the inside of the frame, as an example. The ice you see is because the frame allows the cold to penetrate to the interior of the home. In other cases, windows may not be properly fit, leaving gaps in other spaces for water, cold air, heat, or insects to crawl into the walls of your home. There are various ratings and values to discuss, but let's keep this as simple as possible and discuss only the following, which are the most important. Low emissivity or low E coatings on glazing or glass-controlled heat transfer through windows with insulated glazing. Windows manufactured with low E coatings typically cost about 10 to 15% more than regular windows, but they reduce energy loss by as much as 30 to 50%. A low E coating is microscopically thin, virtually invisible metal or metallic oxide layer deposited directly on the surface of one or more of the panes of glass. The low E coating reduces the infrared radiation from a warm pane of glass to a cooler pane. The insulation rating, or R rating in simple terms, is used to compare the energy-saving characteristics of the glass in the window, double or triple pane with an air space between the glass, and the type of glass that occupies that space will make a significant difference in the energy-saving characteristics of the window. For example, a window filled with argon gas is better insulated than one filled with air, as argon weighs more and is denser than air, and slows down the amount of energy that can move through the dead air space. The same window filled with krypton, which is even denser than argon, is even better. The denser the gas, the higher the R rating, meaning the better insulation provided. Always use replacement windows with a high R rating. Keep in mind the R rating only applies to the characteristics of the glass, not the whole window. Of particular importance in cold weather climates is the U rating, or the measure of the rate of heat loss through the entire window, the glass and the frame. Lower ratings mean less heat or cold transfer through the window. A lower U rating means less energy is required to keep a home warm in the winter months.